Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting video of this GIS software video series. In recent times, we have done many projects related to GIS. Today, we will see a different project which is called road network analysis. So basically, to do that, we need a toolbox which is the network analysis toolbox. We can get the network analysis toolbox from customize and go to toolbox. Here we can see the network analysis. So if you tick it, you can get the network analysis toolbar. So this network analysis toolbar is not activated yet. To activate network analysis toolbar, we need the road data. So first we'll input the road data. So we'll go here at data. So here we can see that there are road and bus stop. So if you go to the road data, you can see that road ND and road ND junctions data. So if we click that road ND junction and add, it shows that if I want to add all the feature that participation in making road ND map. So basically road is basically two consists of two things. So if you click yes, you can see it is being added. It's taking some time because there are lots of data. So I was saying that basically a road is consists of two things. One is node and another is edge. So basically there are many node here. This is a node. Basically a two road where the intersect is called the node, or the endpoint is the node, and the distance between the two nodes are called edge. So this road is basically nodes and these edges. So we have these nodes and edges to create a certain areas road network system. So we don't need now the edges and the road node junction. So we can always see the roads. And now you can see that the network analysis toolbar is activated. So first we'll click on this, which is the network analysis manager little window. Here we have to work different things. So first we will see that to find a new route. So if you click on it, we can see different types of criteria here: stops, point barriers, routes, line barriers, polygon barriers. If you want to uh, calculate a shortest distance between two destination, we can get from this route layout. So if we create a network selection tool here, you can see if you click on it, and if you point two point here, if you point to destination here, one is here and another is here. So if you want to calculate the shortened distance between these two destination, we have to solve this route option. So to find the route option, shortest route, right click on the route, and here we can see solve. We click on it. So we can see that a new route has been created. So this is the shortest distance between this one and two destination. So that's how we can calculate route from two distance here. And now we can see here point barriers, restriction, line barriers. So basically, if a road has restriction to move or error, or it added some cost, all these things can be added, or this restriction located error time valuation can be added. So now we'll see, we'll add the bus stop here, have the bus stop data. So we'll add on it. So the bus stop data has been added. We drag to down. So if you drag out, you can see that the black points are the bus stop data of this certain area. So we will want to count the shortest distance between this bus stop here. So we will solve the route again. To do that, we have to delete this previous stop, delete all, and we will also delete the route. Now we want to solve all the bus stops shortest distance. So we'll tick this all bus stop data and drag it to the stop. So it will, this pop-up screen will appear and we'll hit OK. So all the bus stop are added here, probably 94. So let's run solve this route and we hit solve. But as you can see, the error has been seen because here 55 non bus stop is red mark. Basically, there is some error making this bus stop, or there is a route problem in this bus stop. So we just simply delete this bus stop and again we run the route, and this time it is completed. As you can see that the route shortest distance between this bus stop has calculated, and now we'll see that another network analysis thing, which is the new service area. We click on it and here new service area is added. We untick the route and now we want to calculate the service area of a uh, uh, beside a service. So on previous video you saw we created buffer for making to calculate the service area, but in this road network system the service area can calculate it only by creating this network system. So if you add all the bus stops data in the facilities and we hit OK, so all the bus stop data has been located. Now we want to calculate the service area of this bus stop. Now we will right click on the facilities and go to its properties. And as you can see, there are some properties, and again you go to the service area and go to its properties. Here we'll see the analysis setting. You go on it, and here we can see that there is a default break here which is 1000 meter, and it means that the service area will calculate in between only 100 meter. So we want to calculate 100 meter, 200 2000 meter, 3000 meter and 5000 meter. To do that we will simply put comma 2000, 3000 and 5000. So we apply and OK. Now if we solve this service area, the service area will be calculated. So we right click on the service area and click solve. So as you can see down here, the service area is being calculated. As you can see, the area has been calculated. So if you untick the road here, and here if we right click on this polygon and go to its properties and go to the symbology, we want to change the color ramp, which is this, and we will apply and OK. So as you can see that the service area has been calculated. These green marks as showing that it is in 100 meters. The yellow mark so it is under 2000 meter, and the red is under 5000 meter. So the service area of this bus stop has been calculated. Now we will tick the road again and untick the service area, and if you we will see another thing, which is the new closest facility. So basically it is the facilities we have the closest near our service or incident. So we will give the bus stop value to the facilities here again. We hit OK and we will click on the incident, and now we'll put an incident. Suppose we put it right here. So now we'll calculate which facility is closest to our position. So we go to the closest facility and hit solve. So this bus stop is the nearest to our facility. So this is basically the closest facility. And now we'll see another option, which is the new ODI cost matrix, but we are unable to do this because we have no data about this cost. So also new vehicle routing problem is also unable to we do that because we have no routing data or vehicle detection data here, but we can calculate that new location allocation. So we click on it and we untick the closest facility. So in facilities, we will give all the bus stop again, and this time we have to put some demand points. So basically, this means a we have many demands in our area. Suppose we have many houses, and we will identify which bus stop is the best suitable for all the location. So we'll click on the demand points, and here we'll click on the point and we'll put some houses here, here, here. Yeah, 5 points, 6 points has been created. Now we'll solve the location allocation. So as you can see that this bus stop is the most suitable for all of our 5 houses. So this that's how we can do this new location allocation tool. So that's how we can analysis a road network analysis. And that's for all today. Thank you everyone. See you on the next video.